Good morning, dear students. Welcome to grade 10 mathematics class. The same chapter, algebra. Today we are going to learn about completing the square method. For what? Completing the square method for solving quadratic equations. Okay, shall we learn now? Okay, listen. There are some steps to solve the quadratic equation by completing the square method. Step by step we are going to do. Step 1. Write the quadratic equation in general form. First step, you need to check whether given the quadratic equation is in general form. That means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If it is in the general form, leave it. No problem. If it is not in the general form, you need to convert it into the general form. After converting it to the general form, then divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x square if it is not 1. Then shift the third point, shift the constant term to the right hand side. Fourth step and fifth step, there are 6 steps. Okay, while solving the problem one by one, I will teach now. Listen. Okay, listen dear students. Example 3.30. Solve x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. This equation, this quadratic equation, we are going to solve by completing the square method. What is the first step? See your textbook, which is in page number 111. Write the quadratic equation in general form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is already in the quadratic form only. So, we can write that. X square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. First step over. Okay. The given question already it is in the standard form. So just we rewritten that. Then divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x square if it is not 1. If it is 1 means no problem. If it is not 1 means we need to divide by the coefficient. That means here see the coefficient of x square. This one 1 only. Okay. So no need to do anything. Simply 1x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Suppose another quadratic equation I have given. 2x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. This is also quadratic equation. For this one, what is the second step? Divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of the x square if it is not 1. Here the coefficient is not 1. So you should divide throughout by the number coefficient. So divided by 2 means both sides you need to divide. So x square minus 5 by 2x plus 7 by 2 equal to 0 by 2, 0. In our book problem, that means example 3.30, here the coefficient is 1 only. So no need to do anything. See the third step. Shift the constant term to the right hand side. Here what is the constant term? Minus 2. You need to shift that to the right hand side. So 2. What is the first step? You need to check whether the given quadratic equation is a standard form. If it is in the standard form, just write it. Next step, second step, you need to see the coefficient of x square. If it is 1, no problem. Just write it. If it is other than 1, you need to divide by the number. Okay. What's the third step? You need to shift the constant term to the right hand side. 3 steps clear? Okay. See the fourth step. Add the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x to both sides. What is the meaning? Let's see from the reverse. You need to check the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x coefficient, want to take half, 1/2 means half, and want to take square, and you need to add on both sides. Okay, see here you need to check the coefficient of x. What is that? The coefficient of x number 3. So this 3 you need to take 1/2. That means the formula I will write here, half into coefficient of x the whole square. Want to add. Okay. So what is the meaning? Half into, what is coefficient of x here? What is coefficient of x here? 3 only. No need to take the sign because here the sign we can expand it for a minus b the whole square formula. So the number only you need to take. Okay, the coefficient of x means this number alone you need to take, that 3. So according to this formula, 3 the whole square, which is equal to 3 by 2 the whole square. This term you need to add on both sides. So x square minus 3x plus, add means plus only, no, plus 3 by 2 the whole square. Both sides you need to add 2 plus 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, fourth step, you need to study this formula. Once again, what is the first step? You need to check whether the given quadratic equation in the standard form. If it is in the standard form, just write it. What is the second step? You want to check the coefficient of x square. If it is 1, no problem. Other than 1 means whole term you need to, throughout you need to divide by that number. What is the third step? You need to transpose the constant term to the right hand side. What is the fourth step? You need to use this formula, half into coefficient of x the whole square. That value you need to calculate and then want to add both sides. Okay, then here this one, which formula? You can check the formula for this. 3 terms, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we need to check. Shall we check now? X square minus, instead of this 3x I am writing 2ab, that means 2, here a means x, b means 3 by 2 plus this 3 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to the same number, 2 plus 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, actually nothing here. The thing is, just I am rewritten this 3 as 2ab formula. So here while cancelling we are getting 3x, the same term, no. So don't cancel this. So this is 2 and this is also 2, like that. Then this is the expansion of which formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square, which is equal to this 3 terms, only 2 possibilities. One thing is a plus b the whole square, otherwise a minus b the whole square. Here the minus sign, no, so a square minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b the whole square, which is equal to, just calculate this, 2 plus 3 square is 9 by 2 square is 4. Then take the LCM, 4, then 8 plus 9, which is equal to 17 by 4. So x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Then take the square on opposite side. X minus 3 by 2, which is equal to, we need to find the value of x. Solving means the unknown value, x value only we need to find. So this square transpose on that side means square root of 17 by 4. Okay, listen, x minus 3 by 2 equal to square root of 17 by 4. So square root of 4 is 2, no? So plus 2 and minus 2 will come. So plus or minus 2 values, positive values, negative. Plus or minus square root of 17 by 2, because square root of 4 is 2. X minus 3 by 2. X equal to, we need to find the value of x only. So plus or minus root 17 by 2. Here minus. So coming this side, plus 3 by 2. While writing in order, 3 by 2 plus or minus root 17 by 2. Since it is the same number, no, same like fraction, no. So x equal to 3 plus or minus root 17 by 2. So how many roots? 2 roots no quadratic equation has. Therefore the roots are 3 plus root 17 by 2. Another one, 3 minus root 17 by 2. Got it? Shall we move for the next problem? Next example. Example 3.31. Solve 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0 by completing the square only. Okay. In the question they will ask, they will denote. Here simply they gave the question. But for examination they will specify. Solve by factorization method. Otherwise solve by completing the square method. Otherwise solve by formula method. If they simply ask solve means as your wish you can write. But the only thing, if they mention solve by completing the square method, means definitely you need to use completing the square method only. Got it? Okay. Okay. Let's tell the steps one by one. First, you need to check whether the quadratic equation is in standard form. Here it is in standard form only. So I am writing that 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. First step over. What is the second step? You need to check the coefficient of x square. If it is 1, no problem. Other than 1 means you need to divide throughout the term by that number. So divided by 2. So x square minus, here already 1 no. So 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 by 2, 0 only. What is the third step? You need to transpose this constant term to the right hand side. So x square minus 1 by 2x, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. What is the fourth step? Formula. What is the formula? Half into coefficient of x, the whole square. You need to add square. Okay. So half into, what is coefficient of x? The sign no need to take, the number alone. So x coefficient is 1 by 2. So just write here 1 by 2, the whole square, which is equal to 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4, the whole square. Okay, don't take the square here. This form only we need. So this term you need to add both sides. So x square minus 1 by 2x plus, want to add no? 1 by 4 the whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus, both sides you need to add that format, 1 by 4 the whole square. Okay, up to this, once again I am repeating the steps. This is very important method by completing the square. Completing the square method. Okay, the first step you need to check the standard form. Here already standard form only, so no problem. Second step, you need to check the coefficient of x square. If it is 1, no problem. And other than 1 means want to divide by that number, throughout want to divide. Okay. Then third step, want to change the side of the constant term, left hand side to right hand side. 3 steps over. Then fourth step, want to apply the formula. What is the formula? Half into coefficient of x the whole square. So half into coefficient of x means minus 1 by 2 only, no need to change, no need to take the sign, number alone. So 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to 1 into 1, 1, 2 2s are 4 the whole square. Okay. Now formula, we can check for the formula. So x square minus this term, whether we are getting the correct form, we are going to check. Here 3 terms, a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. Here minus no, so a minus b the whole square only. So a square minus 2, here this one a, what is b? 1 by 4, 2ab plus b square, which is equal to half plus 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16. And we can check whether we are getting this half x correctly. Okay, 2x into 1 by 4, let's do the rough work. 2x into 1 by 4, what is the answer? 2 and x by 2, 1 by 2x. Correct form we are getting. So this is the correct arrangement. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion of a minus b the whole square, which is equal to, take the LCM, 16 is the LCM, and 2 we need to change it as 16 into 8 into 8. So 8 plus 1. Okay. Listen dear students, x minus 1 by 4 the whole square is equal to 9 by 16. Okay. Taking square root on both sides, x minus 1 by 4 square and root get cancelled, and here 2 values will come, positive as well as negative. What are the answers? Plus or minus 3 by 4. Okay. Then x equal to, this term we can transpose that side, plus or minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Then x equal to 2 values no. So separately we need to write. Since it is a like fraction, plus or minus 3 plus 1 by 4. So how can we write? plus 3 plus 1 by 4 or minus 3 plus 1 by 4. So x equal to 4 by 4 or minus 2 by 4. Cancelling 1 here, 1 by 2. Therefore x equal to 1 or minus 1 by 2. So what are the roots? X value x equal to 1 comma minus 1 by 2. These are the answer. Got it? Okay, solving by completing the square over. Now solving by formula method. You need to study this formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let's learn this, students. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now book example. Example 3.32. Solve x square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0 by formula method. So definitely you need to use formula method only. Okay, so shall we do now? This one very simple. Solution. First write the equation, given equation. X square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. Then here a equal to, a means coefficient of x square 1, b equal to 2, c equal to minus 2. Then apply the formula. By quadratic formula, x equal to, you need to write the formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then substitute the value, that's all, which is equal to minus b value 2 plus or minus square root of b square 4, 2 square no, minus 4a c by 2a, 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4, minus into minus, plus 4 2s are 8 by 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 8, 12 by 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, after taking this simplification, 2, 6 and 2, 3. Since it is a square root, 2 numbers we can take, no? So 2 root 3 by 2. And 2 I can take outside, 2. And what will come inside? Minus 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what are the roots? X value? X equal to, answer, I am writing here, answer x equal to 2 values will come, minus 1 plus root 3, comma, minus 1 minus root 3. So it's so simple. The main thing you need to memorize the formula. Just memorize this formula by quadratic formula. The question they will ask like this, quadratic formula. So by quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that's one you need to solve like this. Got it, students? Okay, dear students, listen example 3.33. Solve this one by formula method. So just write the equation, given equation equal to 0. And here, what is the value of a? 2. B value minus 3. C value minus 3. Then by quadratic formula. What is the formula? By quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, the whole divided by 2a, okay, which is equal to minus b minus 3. This one formula minus, this one b value minus, okay, plus or minus square root of b square minus 3 the whole square minus 4, a value 2, c value minus 3. By whole divided by 2 into 2, because a value 2, which is equal to minus into minus plus, plus or minus 3 square is 9, minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 by 4. Sorry students, here 4 2s are 8, no, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, no, okay, 24. Then, which is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of, while adding we are getting 33 by 4, the whole divided by 4. So 33, is it possible to factorize? 33 and 3, 11. 2 are prime numbers, no? We can't able to solve. So this is the final answer. So x equal to 3 plus root 33 by 4, comma 3 minus root 33 by 4. That's all answer. Okay. It's a very simple problem. You need to study the formula only. Then writing all these concepts, you will solve this very, very easily. Got it? Okay, listen dear students, example 3.34, solve this one by formula method. Question itself they asked to find using by formula method only. So here a is equal to, what is the value of a? 3, b 2 root 5, c minus 5. So by quadratic formula, tell the formula. Here normally we will write x equal to, here the variable is p. So p is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, the whole divided by 2a. Don't skip it, whole divided by, okay, which is equal to minus b. So minus 2 root 5 plus or minus square root of b square 2 root 5 the whole square minus 4a 3c minus 5 by 2 into 3, which is equal to minus 2 root 5 plus or minus square root of, here be careful, 2 square is 4, root 5 the whole square is 5. Minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60 by 6, which is equal to minus 2 root 5 plus or minus square root of 20 plus 60 divided by 6, which is equal to minus 2 root 5 plus or minus root 80 by 6, which is equal to minus 2 root 5 plus or minus, shall we factorize this? 80, 2, 40, 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5, 5, 1. Got it? Since it is a square root, we need to take two terms at a time. So for this 2, 2. For this 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. This one alone. So 4 root 5 by 6. Which term we can take it common outside? 2 we can take it common outside, no? So 2 minus root 5 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 6. This 2 and 6 gets cancelled, 3. Then just split this into two terms. Minus root 5 plus 2 root 5 by 3, or minus root 5 minus 2 root 5 by 3, which is equal to, here 1 root 5, here plus 2 root 5. So different sign, no? Subtract and put the largest number sign. Subtracting means root 5 will come positive by 3, or here same sign, you need to add it. So minus 3 root 5 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So this is the answer. Since the variable is p, no? So p is equal to root 5 by 3 comma root 5. This is the final answer. Okay. But in textbook, see the textbook here, x value they give. It is not x, but you need to put it as p only. Okay. Okay, dear students, mark the homework problem. Homework problem, exercise 3.11. First Roman, first problem, and second Roman, first and 3. See here, page number 114. Have you seen? Okay. Exercise 3.11, first Roman, first problem. Second problem we can do, no problem. First problem homework, and here second, first problem as well as third problem. First one, completing the square method, step by step you need to do. This one, formula method, apply the formula and you will get the answer easily. So 3 problems homework. Okay, the rest we can solve now. Okay, dear students, listen, exercise 3.11, first Roman, second problem. First problem homework, now second problem. 5x plus 7 divided by x minus 1, which is equal to 3x plus 2. For completing the square method, first you need to check whether the given equation is in standard form. Here, this is not in standard form. Shall we convert into standard form now? So, solution, 5x plus 7 divided by x minus 1, which is equal to 3x plus 2 divided by 1. Okay. Then cross multiply this. While cross multiplying, 5x plus 7 which is equal to 3x plus 2 into x minus 1. Then bracket multiplication. 5x plus 7 which is equal to 3x into x, 3x square. Then minus 3x plus 2x minus 2. Then 5x plus 7 which is equal to 3x square. What is the sign? Minus x minus 2. Taking all the terms in one side. So 0 is equal to 3x square minus x minus 2. Then transpose this side. Minus 5x minus 7. 0 equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 9. So here all the three terms divided by, can possible to divide it by 3, no? So 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. Now we got the standard form. The first step over. What is the next step? We need to check the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is 3. So we should divide it by 3. Throughout you need to divide by 3. So x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 by 3 also 0. Got it? So what is the third step? X square minus 2x. Want to transpose this constant term to the next side, which is equal to 0 plus 3. So x square minus 2x equal to 3. Then what is the next step? Formula. Half into coefficient of x, the whole square. So half into, what is coefficient of x? Don't change, take the sign, number alone. So 2, the whole square. Just cancel it. We are getting 1 square. So this 1 square we need to add both sides. So what is the answer? X square minus 2x plus 1 square which is equal to 3 plus 1 the whole square. So here this is in which form? A square minus 2ab. We can check the form. A square minus 2a and here b plus b square is equal to 3 plus 1 which is equal to 4. This one rough work. So this is the expansion of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. A minus b is 1. Sorry, 1. A minus b the whole square. So x minus 1 the whole square equal to 4. X minus 1 equal to, taking square root on both sides, we are getting plus or minus 2. So x equal to plus or minus 2 plus 1. So x equal to, two terms we are getting 2 plus 1 or minus 2 plus 1. So x equal to 3 or minus 1. So what is the answer? Therefore the values of x are minus 3, sorry, plus 3 comma minus 1. That's all. So today we can wind up to this. There are some problems in exercise 3.11 and the next class we can see, and one example more. I think example 3.35, I think so. So the one example and some problems in exercise 3.11 we can continue in the next class. And before that, please maintain proper classwork notes and complete the home assignments. There is homework problems and your So we can see in the next class. Have a nice day.